$300, $900, and even $2,000 can be paid out in a single day by simply clicking. You can make up to $30 per click, and can make money online by watching ads 2023, just like this by simply clicking on ads. This is a new ads watching work, so pay close attention. Now, step 1 only requires you to click on ads. For instance, this is one banner ad that I may simply click on. Step 2 requires me to simply wait for 10 seconds on this page without taking any more action. Step 3, you suddenly start making money. People from all around the world are able to get paid by just clicking on ads. This website is trustworthy, completely free to use, and accessible from anywhere in the globe. To make this work, all you need is a smartphone or computer with an internet connection, and in the first step, I'll show you how to make money online by viewing advertisements. In the second step, I'll show you how to make $30 per click using my secret method, and in the third step, I'll show you how to make up to $500 to $1,000 per day on full autopilot, just like all of these guys who are able to earn more money than others. Let's begin the video. Step 1 is to go to this site, which will help us make money online by watching ads. I'll tell you the name of this site in a minute, but first you need to set up your own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching on Google for online bank account in my country, and signing up for a free account on that online banking website, if you haven't already. Now, ATIClicks.net is the site where you can get paid just by clicking on ads. Now you can go to ATIClicks.net, but it's very important that you watch this video until the end. If you don't, you won't make any money, and if you do, your earnings will be stuck in your account. So it's very important that you watch until the end to avoid all the mistakes and get your money. You can make extra money for every task you do online. You can do different high-paying surveys, enter different contests, complete different offers, refer other people, or do task bonuses, but what I want to show you in this video is that you should focus on viewing ads. This means you can simply go to different websites and click on different ads and get paid real money, as you can see here. I'll show you in a minute that their website is very clear about all of their earnings. You can see that the total payment for today is $48,900. There are more than 277,000 people registered on this site right now, and they show you all the withdrawals people have made in the past, along with their username, country, and payment method. The best part is that you can cash out all your earnings in many different ways, such as PayPal, Perfect Money, Payer, AirTM, Bitcoin, Skrill, and Faucet. In just a second, I will show you exactly how to make money online watching ads on the site. So make sure you keep watching, and don't miss out on this. But before that, let me show you something. As you can see here, they show you all the dates. For example, today and yesterday, there are a lot of people already cashing out their money. Now, you can see here with the username. They are basically from different countries, and they're able to earn real money on this website, easily by just clicking on ads. So, right now if you'd like to sign up for a free account, you only need to click this register button, and then you'll be visiting this page. Now, you only have to type your full name, your email address, and right here, you can choose and create whatever username that you want, and create a password. Submit your birth year, and your birthplace, and fill in this CAPTCHA in this box, and finally agree to the terms of service and click on this register button. Once you log into your account, your dashboard will look like this. Now, move your mouse to earn money and click on View Advertisement. That's going to take you over to this page. If you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see the daily ads, promotion ads, standard ads, and micro ads. Now, as you can see, these ads are paying very less amount per click. This is because it will show ads according to your location, and right now, I am not at a very ad-friendly place while making this video, but don't worry, in a minute, I'll show you how you can still make $30 per click, even if you are not in an ad-friendly place, and get paid to watch ads online in 2023. But for now, I want to show you the process of how this works, so let's click on this one ad here. That's going to take you over to another site, and all you have to do is to wait here for 10 to 15 seconds as mentioned on this offer, and while you are on the site, you have to scroll up and down on the site so that the website don't assume you as a bot. You can see on the top of this website, a time bar. Just wait for this bar to complete loading, and after that you can close the site, and the money will be credited to your account. Now, you can click on all other ads showing here and make money online watching ads. Also, if you want to, you can complete these daily surveys on the top of this page, and can earn more than 100 cents per survey you complete, where 100 cents is equal to $1, and most of these surveys are paying more than $1. Now, for the second step of earning $30 per click. I want you to click on My Account on the top right corner and come to your dashboard. I want you to click on Daily Offers right here, and that will get you to this page. And if you scroll down on this page, you can see that you can make $3,250 by clicking on this ad offer, which is $32.50. And this is my secret method to earn over $30 per click. This is as simple as that. You can find different ads offers right here, which you can complete and earn $30 per click. But real quick, if you are enjoying this video, then smash that like button. Now, the third step is to earn $500 to $1,000 per day on complete autopilot. You have to come over to My Account again, and on this page, I want you to click on affiliate banners from the left hand side. That's going to show you this page. Now, this will be a referral link, which you can use to refer others, and make money online on autopilot. Differently, you can also use the banners. If you want to promote it through banner ads, you can choose the banner from 9 different banners available here, and after selecting the banner, you can copy its link from this box right under the banners. So on one side you can simply click on ads to make money, and on the other side you can build another bonus stream of income by referring other people to this website, and you can make money on autopilot 2023. This is a win-win situation. They get to know how to make money online watching ads, and you are able to earn referral commissions on complete autopilot, and this is one of the best ways to make money on ATI clicks other than simply clicking on ads. Now, just copy your link from here, and start sharing this link to Facebook Make Money Online groups. Also, you can use other social media platforms like Instagram, Quora, and if you want to start your own faceless YouTube channel, and earn crazy money, then click on the video showing on the screen right now.